First, make a new collection. Let's say you work at a hospital. Here's a great way to learn some fun, useful Spanish. Let's generate a fun story to read and listen to. Nothing beats a scandalous love triangle gone wrong. Let's include lots of useful vocabulary. Select your favorite voice. I like Lily. Wink, wink. Add the audio voiceover to the chapter. New words are highlighted in red. Learning words in green. Mastered words are not highlighted. Click on any word to select it. Click here to hear it spoken. Click here to fetch a translation. Click here to save the word to your vocabulary. Change its status to learning, familiar, mastered, or ignore. Do the same with phrases by clicking and dragging. Try the shortcut keys. R to play audio. T to translate. Numbers 1 through 4 for status. These words and phrases are now saved to your vocabulary database. Let's get some practice forming sentences with this phrase. Enable the AI coach to get grammar explanations and to generate lessons and flashcards. Let's make a new deck of cards using this phrase. The deck is saved inside the folder. Select your favorite voice and generate the audio voiceover. Now let's get some help with grammar. This phrase uses a verb tense that is new to me. Let's generate a lesson notebook and save it in the folder. Lesson notebooks offer explanations and example sentences that are wired up to the vocabulary system and can be saved as flashcards. You can also add your own notes or ask for more explanations and examples. Now that we've saved some vocabulary, let's practice using them. We offer many exercises and games, all connected to your saved content. Phrase practice helps you create new sentences from your saved phrases. You may speak or type your responses. When you're ready, try using the phrase in a real conversation with our powerful chatbot system. Try having a conversation with one of the characters from your story. Track your stats, set daily targets, and level up your skills. Welcome to LinguaAi.